Always we should start our problem with reorder stock level. Minimum stock level. What is the formula? Reorder level minus normal consumption, normal reorder period. What is the formula for maximum stock level? Reorder level plus reorder quantity, minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing Session 2, Unit 3, Cost Accounting, topic called Material. In the previous session, we learned many things about theory topic of this particular chapter. Like, we discussed about what is EOQ, Economic Order Quantity. What is ABC Analysis, Grading System. What is bin card? What is store ledger? As well as we also discussed about stock level. Except LIFO, FIFO, we discussed everything in previous session. Now, today we'll complete your topic called stock level. As I told you, this is your 10-mark question in your examination. Most expected as well as very important for your examination purpose. Now, so agenda will be very simple. We'll discuss about stock level and also we work out the problems on stock level. Your stock level. The stock level problems will be very simple. As I told you, x plus y is equal to z. Similarly, you should know what is x, what is y, and your answer will be z. Like, your formula will be like this. X plus y is equal to z. This is a formula and your solution. Now, for this, how many stock levels are there? There are almost 5 stock levels are there, like minimum stock level, maximum stock level, average stock level, reorder level, danger level. All are stock levels for your calculation. Now, for all 5 stock levels, you are supposed to learn formula. If you know the formula, then you can do any number of problems for your examination. Now, in this stock level, like the quantity or number of goods or raw material kept on the premises of a shop or business. Staff will be able to instantly check stock level, sell by dates, and whether a product has been paid for. So these are the definition or information for your stock level. In your examination, they will not ask you what is stock level, what is the meaning or definition. We'll go for the problem directly. So problem number 1. From the following data, calculate reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, average stock level, normal usage, maximum usage, minimum usage, reorder quantity, reorder period. These are the informations are given in your question paper or question. We are supposed to find out all the stock level, what I told, 4 or 5. In this danger stock level, 99% they will not ask you in your examination. Other than danger level like maximum, average, reorder, minimum. These are the 4 things which are asked in your examination. Now, reorder stock level. Always we should start our problem with reorder stock level. Now, reorder level is maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Like, what is the maximum consumption? I'll go back. In this maximum consumption, 900. Maximum reorder period. What is the maximum reorder period? There are 4 and 6. Which is maximum in this? 6. So, it will be 6. 900 and into 6, it will be 5,400. Hope you are clear. Very simple. You should know the formula to find out reorder level. Maximum consumption will be given in the question itself. Maximum reorder period will be given in the question itself. Multiply and write. That will be your answer. Similarly, minimum stock level. What is the formula? Reorder level minus normal consumption, normal reorder period. What is the reorder level? Go back to previous one. This is your reorder, 5,400. Why we found out that one means, for this formula we need that answer. Minus normal consumption. What is your normal consumption? As per this, your normal consumption is normal usage 500. So normal consumption 500 and normal reorder period. I'll go back. Normal reorder period, have they given anywhere in the question? No. If it is not given, minimum is 4, maximum is 6. 4 plus 6. You have to take average. While taking average, divide by what? 2. So your answer is 5. This we call it as normal reorder period. Hope you are clear? Yes. Now your normal reorder period is 5. 500 into 5, 2500. From this you minus, you got 2900 units. Hope you are clear? Good. Normal reorder stock level. Normal reorder period, minimum reorder period plus maximum reorder period divided by 2. Minimum is 4 and maximum is 6. Again I'll repeat, minimum is 4, maximum is 6 for 2. So this is nothing but this formula. Next slide. See, how did we calculate this 5? I showed you, no? That only they have done here. 4 plus 6 divided by 2, you will get 5. That is a normal reorder period. Now, and the third one is maximum stock level. What is the first one? I'll show you clearly. Reorder period level is the first one. Minimum stock level is the second one. There is a working note. There is a third one. Maximum stock level. What is the formula for maximum stock level? Reorder level plus reorder quantity. Minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. There is a formula. Reorder level, you know that 5400. Reorder quantity, I'll go back to question. Reorder quantity 4800. 4800. Minimum consumption 300. Minimum reorder period 4. Everything is given in the question itself. Multiply and add, you will get this answer. Your final answer is 9000 units. Hope you are clear. Good. And the last one, average stock level. Minimum level. What is the minimum level? Go back. There is a maximum. There is a minimum. What is the answer? 2900. 2900 plus reorder quantity 4800. Half of that 2.4. Final answer is 5300. Okay. In this explanation not required. There is no concept, nothing. Remember the formula. Go back to your question. Pick the right one and add here. You will get the right answer. Now we'll go back to your previous slides so that problem number 1 you can take screenshot. So this is your problem number 1. Reorder stock level, minimum stock level, normal reorder period. There is a sub formula. Maximum stock level, average stock level. Yes, that is all about your problem number 1. Now we are doing problem number 2. In this, try to work out on your own. Clear? Now, compute various stock levels from the following data. Normal consumption, maximum, minimum, reorder, normal reorder period. Everything is given. Now, first formula will be what? Reorder stock level. There is a first one. We'll go for the first one. Reorder stock level. What is the formula? Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Write down the formula in a single sheet. So what is the formula for reorder level? Maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. 1 is done. What is the maximum consumption? I'll go back. Maximum consumption 420. Maximum reorder period is what? 10 and 15. 15 will be maximum. 420 plus 15, you got 6300. Hope you are clear. Good. Similarly, we'll go for minimum stock level. We'll go for minimum stock level. What is the formula? Reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Now, reorder level is how much? This answer. Normal consumption is how much? 300. Where do you get this? I'll show you. Normal reorder, yeah, 300. And normal reorder period, it is given. If it is not given, how to find out? 15 plus 10 divided by 2. But it is not required. Why? Because they have given directly 12. So multiply with 12, simplify, you got answer 2700. Clear? 2 formulas are done. Remember, take one book, in that write down the formula for reorder level. What is the formula for reorder level? This one. This is the first one. This is second. Minimum stock level. What is the formula for minimum stock level? Reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Clear? Yes. We'll go for the third one. What is the third one? Maximum stock level. What is the formula? Third formula. Reorder level plus reorder quantity, minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Everything is available. Now, reorder level answer, reorder quantity, it is there in the question. I'll mention here, this is there in the answer. This is there in the question. 240, it is there in the question. 10 also is there in the question. Clear? Now, add this, multiply this, simplify, you will get 7500 answer. Now, your fourth formula, average stock level. What is the formula for average stock level? I'll show you. Minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. Again, I'll repeat. Minimum level plus half of the reorder quantity. What is the minimum level? 2700. What is the half of the reorder quantity? Half of this. If you simplify, you will get 4500. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, this is all about your 4 formulas. As I told you, danger level, 99% they never ask you, but we'll do one problem on danger level also. Now, problem number 2, I'll go out of the screen. Please take screenshot. Problem 2, stock level. Stock level. Yes, now it is problem number 3. Under problem number 3, it will be homework for you. I'll show you the answer, but just take screenshot. But before doing your answer, don't see the right answer. Clear? Again, I'll repeat. So this is question number 3. Question number 3, I'll show you the answer, but I don't explain you. Why? Because you know the concept in this. After working out, please check your answer whether you have done properly or not. I'll show you this. 2 companies, same problem you have to do twice. Same problem you have to do for twice. Now, 2 components A and B are used. Normal usage 50 per week. Minimum usage 25. Maximum usage 75. Reorder quantity for A and for B. Reorder period for A and for B. Calculate reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, and average stock level. Whole problem you have to do it for A, and whole 4 formulas you have to do it for B. I'll show you. Just take screenshot and you have to work out. See, this we have done. Same formula for A, same formula for B. Same formula for A, same formula for B. Same formula for A, there is a sub formula. And maximum stock level, same formula for A and same formula for B. And there is the average stock level for A and B. Hope you are clear. Now, I'll show you this. In this reorder stock level 1, minimum stock level 2. This is just to find out reorder stock level. This is not the formula. This is only working note. This is working note. Maximum stock level 3. Average stock level 4. Now, Your work is very simple. I'll show you one by one slide. Please take screenshot. This is your question. So take screenshot of this question. These are the solution. Don't see the solution unless and until you complete your answer. This is a solution. Your answer. Your answer. Yes. So this is all about your today's session. 2 problems we worked out, and 3rd problem I showed you the answer also. Please work out at your home so that you will be expert in stock level. Thank you.